Hi everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we're going to look at percent change. So percent change expresses an amount of change as a percent of the original amount. So basically we're figuring out, well, is it a percent increase or decrease, and if so, how much of what we used to have is there now? What's that change? So percent change, the formula is the new amount minus the original amount over the original amount. And then you would multiply that by 100 to change it into an actual percent. So, in 1 year, the toll for a ferry rose from $3 to $3.50. What is the percent increase? So this is my original, this is my new, and the percent change, which I'm going to just do a delta, is going to be my new minus my old over my old. So it's going to be 50 cents over 3, which is approximately 0.167. So it's an approximate increase of 16.7%. So relative error goes along with percent error. It's a ratio of the absolute value of the difference of the measured or estimated value compared to the actual value. So what this looks like, relative error is equal to the absolute value of the measured value minus the actual value over the actual. So you can see it's the percent error formula, or I'm sorry, it's the percent change formula, and if you change it to a percent, it is called percent error. Is relative error written as a percent. You think the distance between your house and a friend's is 5.5 miles. The actual distance is 4.7 miles. What is the relative error? So what we're going to do is take our estimate of 5.5, subtract it from the 4.75, and then divide it by the 4.75. So it becomes the absolute value of 0.75 over 4.75. So the absolute value really is just going to take away whether this is positive or negative in the numerator. So it's going to be a positive. So your relative error is 0.16 miles. As a percent, your error becomes 16%. So, your U-try is to answer what negative percent change means, and then create an example of something that would have a negative percent change.